Hello guys, good morning, good midday, wherever you are. It's the Forex Scalper here. Kev, a little update for me. Um, I had a last post, I recorded a video on the August 20, where I explained that the market should make a new higher low, okay? Because if you're in an uptrend, you're making higher lows and higher highs, okay? If you're a bit more an advanced trader, you should know that, okay? I highlight also the higher lows and the high highs. I highlight that. Okay, you can see that with the blue things. I highlighted for you. So here we have high high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so continue. Okay, and my last video from the August of 20. We was waiting for a confirmation that a new high low would create. Okay, so we was retesting that zone and a new high low was creating. Okay, I did other videos on this pair on the euro pound. I did a few other videos, so you should watch that also. So what I want to tell you guys, if you're in a downtrend, okay, we make lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so for example, you can see it here. It happened. Okay, the market structure. And here I highlight the higher highs and higher lows. Okay. So yeah, there was confirmation that we would create that higher low, and after that we make a new high, and after that we make a higher low, and now we have a new high. Okay, but this right here, that max daily target, that major level, is interesting. Okay, because if you're looking left, we rejected before. We rejected before. You can see that right here. Okay, I did a video about this also. Actually, I did a video from here, from that breakout here. That was a good trade. Okay, but like you can see, the market structure always works. Okay, now we know we have a range between this and this zone. Okay, and that is about 40 pips range. Okay, and now you can see that we have a nice rejection candle close again on the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour. So yeah, another hour candle, confirm rejection again. Okay, so if you're looking for sells in this condition, like I explained earlier, you can take sells after an engulfing, but some traders will take sells right here because they have information that banks and institutions have their orders in this in this price zone, in this major level. Okay, so that is very interesting. Yeah, and where should you place your stop if you're entering, for example, right here? Where should you place your stop? You place your stop right here, okay? Um, so let's see. If you should enter right here, your stops is about 16 pips, okay? But your reward, because you have the range to the downside for 30 pips, you can easily take 15 or 20 pips from this range, okay? So that is what I want to show you guys, okay? Put yourself in the best position possible. And this could be a possible entry. It depends, okay, where you're looking for. On the 15 minutes, you can see the price start to engulf all this information, okay? Start to engulf all this information, okay? We have some reaction on this level. So some traders will say, wait for a good engulfing, wait for a close, and then you're good to go, okay? At least to this price level right here, okay? At least to this price level. So that is very interesting, guys. This is also how you spot your reversal trades. Myself, I'm a breakout trader slash reversal trader. So I took both, okay? But I have a lot of content about breakouts, okay? So now I will go a little bit deeper in reversal trading because there's a lot of interest in as well. So yeah, you should watch also my other videos. These are small tutorials, okay? If you join my mentorship, I give deeper insights, okay? You're free to join if you are fine on yourself. That's also good. You should check YouTube, check Google, read more about price action. There's enough content. If you feel the need to take a mentor, talk with the members, okay? Talk with the members. Otherwise, visit my website, check my testimonials, guys, from real life people. Instagram profiles are there, Facebook profiles, and all that stuff, you know. Otherwise, so now you have a better feel on reversals, okay? You can see the reversals on the 4-hour time frame. You see that price at this level and finally, yeah, and finally start to engulf and break to the downside. And the same thing happened here, guys. Rejection, and we filled the whole range. Okay, so more than likely, what's gonna happen here? Okay, it's just an ID, guys, but this is a high. Um, yeah, this is a good trade. Okay, so wait for the engulfing, wait for the rejection close. Depends on what time frame you work. Myself, I'm a scalper, so I use the 1 hour, 4 hour daily for the top down analysis, and the entries are most of the time on the 5 or 15 minutes, and I aim for 10 to 15 to 20 pips max. Okay, so that is the idea behind it, guys. I hope it is a little bit clear. Okay, so now you know how to spot the market structure, the highs and the lows. Look for that, guys. Wait for the confirmation. Wait for engulfing candles. Okay, wait for morning star, evening star patterns, double tops, double bottoms. It's all about price action, guys. Okay, and reading the market in a proper way. Okay, because you should. Otherwise, you won't win in this market. Okay, in this currency market, guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna end this little tutorial, guys, about reversals. There will come much more. I try to do it when I have time. Okay, so yeah, if you looking for a mentorship, visit my website, forex I love to help. I have a big community for about 900 traders worldwide, almost 1,000 members. I work with everyone. I'm a couple of hours per day online. So yeah, guys, have fun today. Yeah, ciao, ciao.